Hello friends, welcome to the first episode of Photoshop tutorials with Mayur. Today I'm going to show you the interface of Photoshop 2022. So let's get started. So here you can see that if I create one document, whatever document I'm creating, leave it. So don't worry about it. So first of all, what you need to see is that the first row here you can see the file, edit, image layer. Can you see here in the top here? Yeah, this is called the menu bar. And here in the left hand side, this is called a toolbar. You can make the toolbar in one column or you can make it in two columns. That is totally up to you, whatever is convenient for you. The third row here you can see it is called the document bar. Whatever file you create, so it will be here. You can find it here. So you see, we can switch to the document 2, document 3, document 5, whatever. So if you hit here, you can see it is untitled 4, whatever document it is. So let's create another file, say new. So I'm creating here, so you can also rename here, but I'm not renaming it right now. I'll show you later on. So untitled 5, so create it. So here you can see the new document. So this is called document bar. Just above it, you can see this row, it is called the option bar. And in the right hand side, you can see the panel board. So here you can customize everything. And below here you can see here 100%. Can you see here 100%? Below here, this is this 100%. So this is called the status bar. So this is it, and this is called the workspace. So that's all for today. So let's meet you in next episode of Photoshop tutorials with Mayur. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Hello friends, welcome to the next episode 2 of Photoshop tutorials with Mayur. And today I'm going to show you how you can arrange your workspace and the Photoshop interface 2022. So for example, say if you something happens, so everything is messed up, okay? Something is not there and everything is messed up, then you don't know from where you want it, like a very organized. So it's very easy. You just have to go to window, go to workspace and go to reset essentials. Finish. It's fine, right? So that's it, how you can do it. As simple as that. So any problem happens, so whatever it is missing, anything it is missing, you just go here, any problem here, that you workspace, reset essentials. Finish. That's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Hello friends, welcome to the next episode of Photoshop tutorials with Mayur. Today we are going to see how to create documents in Photoshop of different size. For example, if you want to create a Photoshop for Instagram post, so see here Instagram post size is 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. So what you need to go is that file, new, and here you can see if you can put here 1080 and here in the height it will be 1080. Okay, so the orientation it will be same here. It is the landscape, it is the portrait mode, it is the landscape mode. Okay, I'll get back to later on. And here's the resolution 72. We use it for the web, and for the printing purpose we use 300. You just have to know that. And the RGB and all this space we'll get it later. So see here 1080, this is we're creating for the web, so I'm putting the resolution as 72 and let's create. So can you see? So the height is 1080 pixels and the width is 1080 pixels. So we have to create something for the Facebook cover. So let's see what is the Facebook cover size. So you can see here it is 820 by 312, so 852 pixels wide. So you can see this is the wide and 312 pixels tall. So this is the height. So 820 by 312. So if you can see 820 by 312. See? So here the width is 820 and height is 312. Let's create. So you can see here. So the width is 820 and the height is 312. We can also change it here. We can change it to like 400. Okay, we can change it to 400. We can change it anything here, the width and the height. So this is called the canvas. So we simply get that this is a document, or we can say wherever you will be working, that is called the canvas. So it's clear. So you can create anything. You can create any post, and there are some predefined options as well here, like for the mobile, for the iPhone. It's already predefined. You don't have to go and search over the internet what is the size. So art illustration, the photo, there it is. So you can see the difference here. In the photo you can see here another photo. See, in the web everything here the resolution is 72, but if you go to print the resolution will be 300. We'll dig deeper into that later on. But right now, check this out. For a mobile phone, let's say we are doing for Apple 8 Plus or whatever. So if you create it, so this is it. This is the artboard. What is artboard? We'll get back to that later on. So today, just get to know that this is the workspace. So you can create any file. Just go to new, and here the width and the height. You can change it. Now you can see if I orientation, if I changing it, see, it's opposite, right? See, it becomes like that. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.